In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google. Mastering this skill can be incredibly beneficial for anyone looking to improve their navigation and workflow efficiency with Google's tools. With just a few steps, we'll guide you through the essential aspects, making this process as clear and straightforward as possible. First, make your way to Google, the starting point of our journey. To begin with, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. Type google.com into the address bar and press enter. You'll find yourself on Google's homepage, a blank canvas full of potential and possibilities. Our next step involves understanding your Google settings. Find the settings icon. This icon might look like a gear or 3 vertical dots, typically located towards the top right of your screen. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Navigating through to check email compatibility can appear complex, but let me walk you through it. Look for an option labeled Forwarding and Pulp Imap. Click here to enter the realm where you can enable various email protocol settings. Within this menu, locate the Imap Access section. Here, you'll decide which option suits you best for enabling Imap. Usually, you'll want to select Enable Imap to allow communication between your email client and the server. This configuration enables seamless synchronization across all your devices. While still in the Settings menu, take a moment to review the other options available. You might find handy features for organizing your workflow, like setting up auto-replies or customizing keyboard shortcuts. Exploring these features can enhance productivity significantly. Having enabled Imap, it's crucial to save your changes. Find the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it. By doing this, you ensure that all your new settings are properly applied and ready to use. Let's step back and take stock of what we've accomplished. You've adeptly navigated through the settings necessary to enable Google's Imap for your emails. This setup ensures that no matter where you access your emails, they stay perfectly in sync, enhancing your communication efficiency. As we reach the end of our guide, I encourage you to take a moment to explore other possibilities this newfound knowledge opens up. Whether it's adding additional layers of security to your account, exploring Google's suite of productivity tools, or simply optimizing how you handle your emails, you're now set to do so with confidence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide with Google insightful and empowering. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. For now, take these lessons forward, enhancing your digital skills and workflow. Until next time, happy navigating with Google.